looks sexy.
Diddy.
How you guys doing? It's Coach Gary. Welcome back to G Daddy Media. Today I'm going to show you how to change your spark plugs in a 2009 Kia Rio. It should not take me very long. I'm going to try to do this in less than 10 minutes. I hope that something I'm showing you here will help somebody. All right, let's get to it. First, I'm going to take off this cover. And I am using a number 10 ratchet, socket and ratchet, all right? All right, so we've got the cover off, and the next thing we're going to do is we're going to take this off. Actually, I'm just going to loosen this up so we can get to the spark plug coils, all right? So, still using the number 10. So I don't have to take this completely off, just loosen it up so I can get it out of the way. All right, so now we're going to take out the spark plug coils.
Perfect.
Probably been easier to take these off first, but it shouldn't be that hard to take off. Now we're going to disconnect the wires to the spark plug coils. Always one. Number 2. All right, so now all you have to do is take out your spark plug coils. This is a 5/8 socket. It is actually a spark plug socket. All right, spark plug, and it should go down and give me access to the spark plug. Make sure you're taking it out. A little bit greasy.
Is that the spark plug?
Yep, that's the spark plug.
Perfect.
What's good, y'all? It's your girl CCG, G Daddy's daughter, and he's showing me how to change my spark plugs, okay? So, you know, because I'm in a different city than he is, even though they are close to me, you know, it's good for us women to learn how to properly fix up our cars whenever we need to, whenever we're not around a man, you know, because we have to be independent sometimes. So, you know, definitely look at this video. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. And yeah, you know, learn a few things, because women empowerment, we need to learn how to do these things and not just for men. Peace.
Okay, so now we are going to replace the spark plugs. And it should already be gapped, so I'm just gonna put it in here. All right, and what I'm going to do is I'm just gonna hand tighten them, hand tighten each one of them, and then I'm gonna go ahead and stop. Ultimately, you would like to have a torque wrench, but if you don't have one, that's okay too. You know, you already hand tighten them down, so they're just a bit snug, but you got to make sure you tighten them just a little bit more. And all you want to do is make sure that you tighten them all about the same. So we'll start with this one. All right. And I'm gonna turn it just to get it snug. About right there. That's all I'm gonna do. Okay. Same thing with this one. Okay. I'm just gonna tighten this one all the way. All right, so that what I just did would work perfectly fine, but I'm gonna go back and just give them just a little bit more torque on each one of them. Don't want to over tighten them, but all I'm doing is whatever I do with the first one, I'm do with the next one. Do every one of them the same way. All right. Now, all we have to do is put the spark plug coils back in, tighten those down, and snap the wires together. And we're gonna see how this baby sounds. I try to do the same thing with these spark plug coil bolts. Tighten them hand down, or tighten them by hand, and then come back and just give it a little snug twist. That's all you need. All right. Now we take these, put these back on. And then finally, oh, almost missed something.
Oh Lord.
Connect the wires. Well, if you didn't connect them, it just wouldn't crank up. Like, you wouldn't be getting any spark to the spark plugs. All right. Now, this back on. To move on this side some too.
I wonder what they can.
All right, put the cap back on. All right, Chris, get in there and crank it up. See how it sounds. All right, everybody, that's how you do it. Change the spark plug in a 2009 Kia Rio. Thanks for watching, you guys. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe and make sure you hit that like button. And I will see you guys next time. It's Coach Gary.